Glen's actually our treasurer too. So Glen's from my last golf league, but you'll get to know him pretty much. If you need your taxes, he'll do that for you too. And my buddy Marty in the back. You guys high school football people, Marty's probably one of your officials out there.
All right.
Stan, you got to meet Martin afterwards. Stan's over here. He's a Santa Clara baseball
That a
boy. And then who else? Oh, Jason. You guys need baseball lights. He's the one that puts them in all the stadiums across the country, so he's a good guy. David, how are you? Good. Good to meet you. Yeah, from the old club. Yeah. What we're going to do is we're going to do first, second, third. This is a nice tournament. First place wins $114, so that's not bad. So I hope you guys suck. Front 9 is hole number 7. Back 9 is hole number 17. There'll be a tape measure, all that stuff. Just write your name down. And then we're going to skins. We'll see how many skins we have at the end of the day, and we'll split them up evenly. So we have 2 awards. We have the club champion, which is based off points. So every tournament, if you take the top 10, we'll get points. So if you win, you get 20 points. If you get 10th, you get 2 points. And if you're under that, you get nothing. We're not doing negative points. You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Negative 217 course record. No, so with that, and then that person will win our inaugural green jacket. Be kind of stupid and have fun with that. And then we'll have the money champion, which will get their dues paid for next year. Okay. So all of you should have your GIN number now. You will not post your tournament scores. You'll post everything else. But Davin, who is our trusty index handicap person, him and I will work together to post the tournament scores. What we're going to do is we're going to take your top 3 tournament scores to make an average, or we'll take your index, whatever's lower, and we'll use that. So if you have an index of, 96, but you come out and shoot a tournament 72 every time, yeah, you're not going to hustle that game. So we'll balance that out pretty quick.
I like it.
All right?
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, I posted 310s last week. So if you have any questions or suggestions, though, throw them out to us. We'll get them figured out. It's not like saying this is end all be all. But yeah, so you got Scott, Davin, Glenn, and Nixie, wherever you're at. Nixie's just clubbing. He's working on his next career. He's going to be our vlogger.
Hope you guys like to be on video.
That's the only big thing.
Who wants to tee it off here? First hole, first tournament.
I can't find the
You guys ready?
Let's do it. Here we go. That would be Jason. Fuck all of you. All right, now between Steve and me. Steve. Oh, good. I just don't.
All right, so objective is to hit it straight, right?
Yeah, you don't want to be straight hole.
Scotty?
Straight hole.
Hey,
Thank you for
they rolled the greens earlier this week,
This is going to be on the website.
That's what I heard.
yeah.
First shot,
So you can
party group.
Yeah.
you can go for the pin.
Oh,
too.
don't go to the right. That's the beat.
See him on the green down there? Yeah.
If you hit that same one you hit in at Coyote Moon, you'll drill those guys.
For Jason, every par 4 is reachable.
Jesus.
Oh, were you the one you hit 18 and 1?
Yeah. He went over.
He flew the green.
Yeah.
Almost nailed us. That was impressive. Big gulps, guys?
Well, cool. See you later.
Ooh, bloodies. First ball. Good ball. Come close to the bunker. Not bad.
Going same.
Right down the middle.
It's way short, though. Hit off the heel.
That's what she said.
That's what she said, right?
Yeah, that's short. Okay.
He's used to hearing that.
Coming back, baby,
Ball.
right down the middle.
Hey, good tee shots, fellas. Have fun out there.
Where have you been all my life? Damn it.
You're okay.
Perfect spot.
Yeah, he said over there it gives you a lot more. The
Okay.
green opens up for you.
Good ball. Really good ball. Right towards the hole, too.
Oh, not that way.
No, that's what the guy was saying. It opens up the green for you. So that's cart golf.
Yeah, it's not.
Uh-oh. Get over that. Get over that.
Oh, Nixie.
It's going to the right though.
Yeah. Just be short.
Oh shit. Watch it. Come on, bitch. Stop.
God damn it.
Hopefully you'll have piss ball. Dixie, stop leaking. Stay there. Carry those bumpers. Smashed.
That's a bomb. That's way over
Oh, shit.
the bunker. That's perfect up there.
Gotta go, ball.
Much better speed.
Nice.
Oh!
Me too. That's my run of fucking pars. Bogey. Thank you very much, Miss Lippy. Oh boy. Satisfying sound. Oh, I didn't get all of that. Go, please. Yeah.
That's pretty good, Andy. Come back.
Bounce off that hill.
Ooh.
Now where's that turn?
I know, huh?
Ooh, be the right club.
Yeah.
It's on, I think.
Short.
Yeah, maybe the front.
I didn't hit it all. Oh. What a bummer. Run, bitch, run. I don't know.
It's running on, it's on.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's good. Oh, I see it by the shadow.
It's pin high.
Dude.
That's tape measurable right
We'll
there.
see.
Kind of where you wanted, right?
Right where I wanted.
Walking up to Pete's ball here because he mashed his driver.
That felt good. I hit that one pure, actually.
Too bad you
I
got.
don't usually do that, Pete.
You had like a bad kick.
That's all right. Chip it a putt, dude. It's par 5.
Yes, sir. I wish I could drive the ball like Pete so I could have a
Stop it.
good shot at going on a 2.
Thank you. Thank you. Get down.
Sit, baby, sit, sit.
Good dog.
Good dog. Think you're
Think
dancing.
you're gonna be okay?